Guys, today I'm telling you the very best news in hair transplant surgery in my clinic. You've been asking one question: who will be doing the job in hair transplant surgery? And now I'm telling you the best thing in hair transplant surgery. You want to get it done by the doctor, and everybody wishes to get everything done by the doctor. In my clinic, we are starting very new thing for you. This is special for you that everything in hair transplant surgery, all the job in hair transplant surgery will be done both of us, by both of us, Dr. Rana Irfan and I will be doing the hair transplant procedure for you from A to Z. Like we will be giving anesthesia, we will be giving taking out the grafts, and we will be putting the grafts back, like placing, excision of the graft, anesthesia, everything will be done by both of us. Dr. Rana Irfan and I, both of us are qualified by American Board of Air Respiration Surgery, and we will be doing the whole job for you. But this will be done especially for the clients, for the patients coming to us from Europe, UK and USA.